Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok email and phone number using your mobile phone, step by step.
So first, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your home page, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines at the top right and go straight into Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Account and then select Account Information. This is where all your personal details, like your email and phone number, are stored. To change your email, simply tap on the email section. If you already have one linked, TikTok may ask you to verify it first. Once that's done, type in your new Gmail address, request a verification code, then go to your Gmail inbox, copy the code, paste it back into TikTok, and confirm. That's it. Your email is updated. Now for your phone number. Still in the same Account Information section, tap on the phone number option. Again, TikTok might ask you to confirm the current number linked to your account. Once that's verified, go ahead and type in your new phone number. TikTok will send you a 6-digit code by SMS. Just enter that code, and your new number will be saved to your account. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your TikTok, Gmail, and phone number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.